Hey toppers, welcome to Ignite series day 8 chapter 8 business ethics and let's start ISC entrepreneurship class 11. Imagine you work two companies in one single day. In first companies shiny glasses, smiling models, everything like royal, but when you enter into companies employees were whispering, they were talking about salary deduction, about penalties, customers lost faith low quality goods, and about financial reports they change magically every quarter. And when you enter in another company, no show off, simple walls, simple everything. And see, in second company, no drama, no show off. When someone asks a tough question, when I ask a tough question, when employees were not able to give answer, manager answered honestly. What is the difference? One big difference, that is ethics. Welcome to the world of ethics. Ethics. The name of chapter is ethics and what are business ethics. Ethics means moral responsibilities of company. Ethics, moral responsibilities of company, moral values. Just like we are taught not to lie, not to cheat, not to do fraud, not to harm others, and not to beat anyone. So set of moral rules which companies should follow while doing business, while dealing with customer, while dealing with society environment, that is ethics. In simple words we can say business ethics means fair, honest, responsible and transparent way of doing business. Real life example, when Johnson and Johnson recalled kerosene bottles from the Indian market due to suspected defect, even though it would cost them crores. That was ethics. Ethics means no fake ads, no cheating, no false promises, no tax no means when they were changing their financial reports every quarterly, means pay taxes on time and accurate taxes which you have to pay, no pollution, no manipulation of accounts. Ethics is basically profits with conscience. Why are business ethics important, significant? Let's understand important through a mini story. The master of company A versus B. There are two companies, company A and company B. Now listen, story of company A and company B. Why I am reciting you the story, so that you can see, you can feel, you can check ethics in your surroundings. I am adding examples from real world also. Company A hides data, mistreat workers, cheats customer. Like first company you visited. Company B is transparent, fair, respectful, and keep its promises. After 5 years, what will happen? Yes, today company A is earning a lot. Company B is not earning that much like company A. But after 5 years, what happened? After 5 years, company A drowning in lawsuits. Obvious, people will sue that company. Boycotts and angry reviews. Company B trusted by customers, loved by employees, and praised by investors. People have faith in company B. This is 5 years later. That is the power of ethics. Let's break down the significance. Stakeholder confidence. Stakeholder means everyone who has interest in the business, like customers, like suppliers, like investors, like society. See, when a company behaves ethically, customer trust the brand, employees feel valued because the company is not cheated to them. Investors feel safe as they have invested in the business. They feel safe if business is following ethics. Government supports them, society respects them. Real example, Tata Group enjoy massive trust in India because decades they have followed ethical principles, fair treatment to employees, tax payment on time, no fraud, and honest business practices. Ethical action, shareholder confidence. Obvious, we buy the shares of that company who is following ethical standards, and business survives for a long, and this is the goodwill. Transparency. Transparency means no secrets, no manipulation. No secrets, no manipulation. And this is another pillar of ethics. Shows correct financial data, communicates honesty, shares risk openly, doesn't hide defects, accept mistakes. When Infosys declares any cyber incident or financial risk openly to shareholders, it increases trust. That was the example of Infosys. In today's world of social media, one like can destroy everything. So always be transparent, be honest to the stakeholders in your business. Goodwill, when old customer resort at old place, that is goodwill. And you can't see it, you can't touch it, this is intangible, yes, but goodwill affect your business the most. Goodwill grows when a company treat customer fairly, provide quality goods, and take care of environment, take care of employees also. Real example, people trust Amul because decades it has followed ethical practices, supported farmers, and maintained quality. That trust is goodwill. Conductive work environment. An ethical company is happy company. Why? It provides safe working conditions to the employees and fair wages to the employees, no harassment, equal opportunity, and respect for diversity. Then, real example, Infosys and Wipro are known for their respectful and professional work environment, which help them retain talent and improve productivity. We are talking about real world examples so that you can observe, you can see your chapters in your surroundings. Employees perform better where ethics exist. Employees always be good to the company. Corporate governance meaning. What do you mean by corporate governance? Now imagine a car. Imagine a car and ethics is fuel of it. Can a car run without fuel? No, never. In the same way, business cannot run if you are not following ethics. Corporate governance means the system of rules and process that ensure companies run properly, responsibly, and in the interest of all stakeholders. Stakeholders, board of directors, policies, control, accountability, transparency, everything you have to check, and good governance, stop misuse of power. No misuse of power should be. Now learn full form of NFCG, National Foundation for Corporate Governance. NFCG, National Foundation for Corporate Governance. And this NFCG topic is the last topic of your chapter. So, NFCG is India's guide and guardian for good governance, and this is the corporate government who take care of ethics. Think like a teacher that helps companies behave responsibility. NFCG work like a teacher. NFCG always take care. Companies should follow ethics. See, NFCG works in following ways: promoting good governance, 2. Research and development, 3. Capacity building, 4. Policy and framework development, 5. Accreditation center. See these 5 things followed by NFCG. NFCG spread awareness about ethical leadership, board responsibilities, and investor protection. Research and development. NFCG studies corporate failures, best practices, and global governance trends. Then help Indian companies improve their system. How improve their system? By following ethics. Capacity building. NFCG trains directors, chartered accountant, company secretary, corporate leader, so they understand proper governance practices. Policy and framework development. NFCG work with Ministry of Corporation Affairs, industry bodies. Accreditation center. NFCG partners with top industries, conduct official training, provide certification, improve standard across India. Final message to the story: ethical companies may grow slowly at first, but they grow strong. Unethical companies may grow fast, but they fall faster. Ethics plus good governance, trust, stability, and success. Just like in life, doing the right thing is not always easy, but is always worth.